My name is Al Saeed Mahmoud. I'm teaching software development, focus on data structure, and also I'm teaching artificial intelligence, some courses like machine learning techniques. The term specialization here at Sheridan has a specific definition, and it's well and carefully developed. We refer to more deep understanding and the skill set required for the industry in a specific area related to the computer science. For example, data analytics, cloud computing, network engineering, mobile computing, cybersecurity, all those specializations, we refer to them. Most of the bachelor degree level, they have if they wanted to teach about cloud or mobile, they have just one course or two courses. But here at Sheridan, we designed 8 courses for each specialization. These 8 courses allow us to provide introductory, intermediate, and advanced skills, which enable the student to work directly in the industry and meet the requirement for this specific specialization.